hate to hear this, but start taking your appearance seriously. I don't care where you're going, babe. Do your makeup. If you're a makeup girl, do your makeup. If you just do your eyebrows, do your eyebrows. Get your hair done. Keep yourself looking up. Yes, I get cute when I go to work, and I mean every time I go, because I can't stand to hear people say, girl, I would never get cute for work. Why not? Because when you look good, you feel good. Don't let nobody rain on your parade, honey. I be, who? Because I'm not one of them girls. I am not about to be walking around looking any kind of way. And then usually those are the girlies that have the worst attitude. Boo, I cannot help the fact that you don't put you first. I can't help that. But that's all I wanted to say. So, boo, put everything into your appearance. Even when you're going to work. Even when you're grocery shopping. Anyways, have a great day. Love you. Bye.